How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Comment allez-vous, l'amour? That is, how are you in French? But before we get to that, loves, I am Diva Decorating, and today, loves, I'm extending an open invite collaboration for Tablescape Sunday, which is being hosted by Diva Dynasty. Diva Dynasty consists of 5 beautiful, wonderful ladies. First is Lynn's of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Miss Alberta of Mysterious Alberta, Miss Cynthia of Cynthia She's So Blessed, and Miss Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and moi, Geraldine of Diva Decorating. And what Diva Dynasty do is we come together bi-weekly on Sundays of every month, and we host fun, different tablescapes gigs. Now this host is no other than moi, me, Diva Decorating. And this Sunday's theme is Take Me to Paris. Amène-moi Paris, which is in French. Have you ever been to Paris? Well, I haven't, but on July 12, 2020, we're all going to visit Paris with our rules and details. Number 1, you must be subscribed to the host and all the co-host channels. If you're not a part of everyone's channels, guys, please go over and show them some love. Give them some hugs, okay? Number 2, you must mention all the hosts and the co-hosts in your video. Number 3, you must use the color pink in your tablescape. For example, you can use it in your flowers, your tablecloth or runner, your napkins, your plates, your bowls, etc. As long as you have the color pink in your tablescape thing. Number 4, you must use an Eiffel Tower. Now guys, let me explain this one. If you do not own an Eiffel Tower, or you do not have Paris themed items, you don't have to use an Eiffel Tower decor. You can surely show a Paris theme with color. There have been many times that I want to participate in collaborations that I did not have all the items or the themed items that I needed. But I thought outside of the box and I decided to use color, which always will set the mood for the theme. And that's exactly what you can do. You can just use your color and set that theme. Now, you can also use a picture of an Eiffel Tower or a picture of the word Paris, as you see in my display right there. It can be printed on a plaque. You can use the stick-on alphabet letters. You can write it on a piece of paper, guys. I just want you to be able to participate. And I don't want you to think, okay, well, I don't have, these Paris themed items, I can't participate. Yes, please use it in your colors, okay? I definitely want you to be able to participate because this is going to be a lot of fun. And you can definitely set the mood with a Paris theme by using color, okay? So think about that one. Number 5, title your video, Take Me to Paris, and use the hashtag Take Me to Paris 2020. Add your video, this is number 6, to the playlist. The playlist will be available on this invite video, but I probably won't have that link up until tomorrow, but please do not add your video before the upload date. Number 7, the upload date is July 12, 2020 at our standard time. That's anytime after midnight. Number 8, you must have some fun decorating by setting the mood for a Paris themed tablescape, guys. Yes, have fun setting this mood for Paris. And number 9, last, please leave me an Eiffel Tower emoji if you plan to participate, okay? So when I see that Eiffel Tower, I know that you're going to join in and you're going to participate. So guys, that is all the rules, that is all the details. I hope to see that you're going to come and visit Paris with me and the Diva Dynasty, okay? So guys, until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, my loves.